Hello everyone, my name is Anis with CyneWorX Technologies. You're watching my YouTube channel and I'm here with another short video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to add a description for an interface. So first of all, why do we need the description command? So the description command is meant to provide a reminder in the configuration to describe what certain interfaces are used for. And the description appears in the output of the following commands such as show interface and show running config. So I have a diagram, and according to our diagram, I have this edge router. This interface is connected to my ISP, which is the internet service provider, and I have internal network connected to interface 0/1, and that internal router is campus 1 router, and then I have a 0/2 interface connected to my campus 2 router. So I'm going to configure this router with these three interfaces, and so let's go and see how it works. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to go to config T. Okay, interface Ethernet 0/0, and description is internet service provider. Okay, or I can see like location, for example, New York, etc. Right? Or you can say description to ISP-NY. Okay, that's the short. It depends, whatever is easy for you to remember for yourself and also for the whole networking team. So do not, add description like something code words which you remember but not other people, so you have to make it easy for all of your networking team. Okay, so let's do, so this one is done. Description is internet service provider. Okay, and okay, I'm gonna go to the next one, which is Ethernet 0/1, and the description for this one should be campus 1 router. Okay, now let's go to the Ethernet 0/2. Description should be campus 2 router. Okay, I'm gonna say do end and then save the running config and show run. Okay, so now I can see it here. Interface 0/0 is connected to description is ISP, and for the 0/1 description is campus 1 router, and 0/2 is my campus 2 router. So that will make it easy for you guys to remember where this interface is connected to on the other side of the network. It can be your internal web servers. It can be like a printer. It can be like some special devices like security devices or biomedical devices if you're working in the healthcare environment. It can be management PC or anything. So you can assign this configuration on any Cisco device like switch and routers. Okay, so I hope this was helpful for you guys. If you have any question, concern, or recommendation, please leave me a message in the comment section. And also, please go ahead and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.